What's up, YouTube? This is FlyBMX here, and I'm going to show you how to install a threadless headset with threaded forks. It's a pretty simple procedure, but might as well get down to business. So what you want to do is you want to take off your old razor bearing cups, you know, all the bolts and whatnot. And then you want to hammer in the cups so they're nice and flush, as you can see. I have FSA pig unsealed, so my bearings come built in with the bottom cap, so you got to be careful about that. I'm going to be greasing mine, so I have some silicone grease that I'm going to be using on it. Yeah, gotta lube them up good so they don't rust. Gonna get a little bit on the crown race. Then you insert the forks on the deck. When you got that done, you need to install your top bearing that I gotta get grease on. Gotta get it all nice and greasy, slippery. Makes it a lot smoother if you have silicone grease. And then you slide that on. Take the top crown race, slide that on, then you put in the misc right on top of the forks. And what that does is it keeps it from wobbling around. But first you need to put on the top bolt of your old razor headset, which I probably just misplaced. So let me look for that. Oh, here it is. Alright, so got your old top bolt. What you do is screw it on all the way down. Sorry, I have a pretty bad quality on this. Turn it down all the way. Try to get it nice and tight. Finger tight's good. Spins like a beauty. I left my headset tight and dialed, so got some grippers and tighten it. This is good for me. So now what you gotta do is slide your bars on and tighten the clamps, and then put all your stuff together, and that's how you install threaded forks with a threadless headset. I'm doing more installation videos later. See ya.